Your home might be looking cheaper than it actually is in 2026, and most people don't even realize it. Small design mistakes can completely downgrade your home's appearance. In this video, we'll show you 6 design mistakes that make your house look cheap in 2026. Watch until the end because the last mistake is the most common one. Modern interior design in 2026 is all about balance, warmth, and simplicity. Even expensive homes can look cheap if the design is wrong. Let's start with the first mistake. Mistake 1. Bad lighting is one of the biggest reasons a home looks cheap. Harsh white lighting makes everything look flat and unattractive. Instead, use warm ambient lighting for a luxury feel. Mistake 2. Too much furniture makes any room feel small and messy. Modern luxury design focuses on open space and clean layouts. Less is always more. Mistake 3. Using too much gray or cold color makes your home feel lifeless. Warm tones like beige, cream, and soft brown instantly create a luxury atmosphere. Mistake 4. Cheap decor items can ruin the entire look of your home. Instead, use natural textures like wood, stone, and fabric. Mistake 5. Random wall decorations make your home look cluttered. Modern design uses one strong statement piece per wall. Keep it clean and simple. Mistake 6. Cheap flooring instantly reduces the value of your home. Premium materials like wood and marble completely upgrade your space. So these were the 6 design mistakes that make your house look cheap in 2026. Small changes in lighting, color, and materials can completely transform your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home design tips. In conclusion, by avoiding these common design errors, you can elevate your home's appearance and create a more inviting and luxurious atmosphere. Remember, a well-designed space reflects your personal style while exuding warmth and sophistication. Thank you for watching, and take these tips to heart as you plan your home's design in 2026. By making thoughtful choices with your home's design elements, you'll not only increase its aesthetic value but also enhance your overall living experience. Embrace the power of simplicity and elegance in your decor, and watch how these adjustments breathe new life into your space. Improving your home's design doesn't have to be overwhelming. Even minor adjustments can lead to significant enhancements. Focus on selecting the right materials and color palettes that embody warmth and comfort. As you embark on this journey, remember that every choice counts, and investing time to consider your home's aesthetic can greatly pay off in the long run. By embracing the principles of modern luxury design, you can ensure that your space not only feels inviting but also reflects your unique personality. So step back, evaluate your surroundings, and watch your vision come to life. In summary, transforming your home from looking cheap to exuding luxury is all about paying attention to design details that elevate your space. Utilizing warm lighting, selecting quality materials, and embracing spacious layouts can dramatically influence your home's perception. Making small yet impactful changes will help align your living environment with modern principles of style and comfort. As you navigate through your renovation or redecorating journey, prioritize thoughtful choices that resonate with elegance and sophistication. Always remember, a well-designed home is not just about aesthetics, it also connects with your lifestyle and well-being. Keep these insights in mind as you move forward in perfecting your home's design. By incorporating these design tips, you enhance not just the visual appeal of your home, but also its overall value and functionality. Investing in quality and luxurious elements will create an environment that is both beautiful and comforting, making your space truly feel like home. In conclusion, creating a home that reflects modern luxury design requires attention to detail and a commitment to thoughtful choices. By implementing these tips, you can transform your space into a sanctuary that feels both inviting and sophisticated. Thank you for being part of this journey toward a remarkable home.